Anyways, hey, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your first time here. Hi, Maureen. My name is Maureen. So YouTube boob right here. Drum rolls, ta 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 ta. Yes, the kind of mood energy for the girlies and every other person out there. Anyways, in today's video, I'm just going to show you an elegant, quick way to style your bandana onto your hairs. It will not take much time, so you can just watch to the very end. Like the video, you can share out there, tell someone about this channel, comment down below, and subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and watch out for the bonus link in the description that has more tutorials. So just pick your bandana like this, fold it, have something like that, then have something, fold it again like that, to have something like that, and then turn it like that, and then like that, to have something like that, and then have your hair held at the back like this. It's actually almost at the center like that. You can also release your hair. It's upon you to decide the way you feel most comfortable. So then the next thing is, below these hairs you place your bandana. Remember, if your hair is also, you haven't held your hair, you can always now just place it below, place the bandana below the hairs like that, and then add in, make a knot, like tie the bandana, and then make another knot. Look at how I hold mine, and then you have something like that. You can always have one side like that, and then you have something like that. And then the next thing, if you're holding your hair, you can always add in a bun, a messy bun, or just the usual bun around the hair like that. And then voila, easy as ABCD. Now you look cute, and you can go on about your every other day activities. If you liked it, please like the video, share out there, then also just do something. I really appreciate that. And if you've watched this far, I love you. May God bless you for me. Check out in the description a bonus link to more tutorials, and also click right here. Look at that, it looks good, right? I love it.